My Cub Cadet commercial stalls when the brake is released. I replace the brake switch and the problem persists.
Do you know the model of your Cub Cadet tool or machine? How old is it?
It is a 2003 60-inch tank with a Kawasaki engine.
How long has this been going on with your Cub Cadet engine? What have you tried so far?
A few days. Replace the plunger switch on the brake.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
New engine was installed in 2013.
Hello, I am Anna. I will be your technician today. Bear with me while I read the question and try to answer it. Thanks a lot for your patience. Check to see if you have a seat switch. It may have gone bad. This would allow you to start the tractor with the brake on, but if the seat switch is bad and you release the brake, it thinks you got off the seat and shuts down. I believe you can jump the switch with a jumper wire until you get a new switch.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.